This is a quick guide to installing our VEX Fusion library, version 1.0.0. Start by downloading the library using the link in the description. Save the file to a convenient location, such as your desktop. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. You should be able to navigate through our file structure without any issues. Next, open Fusion 360 and find the project you use for robotics. Create a new folder. I'm going to call mine VRC parts. To make this process easier, change the size of your window so that you can see the file directory as well as your Fusion data panel. Next, begin to copy over our subdirectories by making 5 new folders and labeling them accordingly. Each of these will have their own subdirectories, which you can create as you go. Once you have created the subdirectories, you can begin importing parts, a folder at a time. To do this, click the blue Upload button at the top of the data panel. Then drag and drop the files that belong in the selected folder. Repeat this process until all of your subdirectories are populated. We realize this method of importing parts is tedious, and it takes about 15 minutes. To remedy this, there is an auto part importer currently being developed, so keep an eye out for future updates. I'm not going to cover plugin install, but the download link will also be in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our FAQ or ask for help in the VEX CAD Discord server. Enjoy, guys.